Hello everyone. Let's talk about the Codechef problem burgers. This is a cakewalk problem. What is the statement? Chief is found a burger and decided to make a burger as possible. Now, to make a burger, it requires a patties and a buns. Now, how many burger can he able to make? Now check the test cases. If we have two bun and two patties, then we can make two burger. If we have two bun, three patties, then also we can make two burger because only the equal number of bun patty can form a single burger. Now we will check the code in Python. Um, Now here we use if statement. If a equals to b, then we will print a, or we can write down b also, or we can write down the minimum number of a comma b. Here it is. Thank you all.